guys, welcome back. So, I am back with another unboxing video. So, basically, I got 3 Nendoroids. I already opened one. I don't know when this is going to get published, maybe. But I already opened one out of the 3 that I got. And the next one is Kazami Yuuka from Toho Project. Now, this one was also from the stay-at-home campaign. She was about 45-ish, around that. So she was only the market, price for the shop, which is nice because a lot of these are going for 80 plus. So I'm gonna unbox Yuuka. She's the crazy flower protector here. She loves the flowers, and if you mess with them, she will hurt you a lot. Now, I'm not super familiar with this character, besides the fact that she's absolutely nuts. I mean, as you can see kind of here. But she likes flowers, I like flowers, I like Toho Project, boom. And I've been learning a little bit more about the character as well, so it's always nice to have it, Anyway, let's get started. Alright. Now, this one's themed green, which is nice because it's a plant-based, I think. And then how I'm gonna do it, I think I'm gonna pose her in here, but I'm gonna have her, smiling faceplate. Because the parasol's probably going to be too big to display in my case. So, kind of have to improvise here. And then, that's what she comes with. Kind of cute. And then on the back is her other stuff. So I'm going to take that off first. Probably should have worn one of my Toho shirts for this. That's why I didn't want to do that. Okay, so I finally got it off. And I'm gonna need so I need this one, and then to hold her parasol. There we go. So yeah, this is kind of big, so I'm not going to use that. Okay, so this one comes off too. Oh. Okay. This off. Yeah, this is gonna be another one of those ones. All the older Nendoroids tend to have a off switch here with their parts. Do I want to switch it? No. I'm just gonna keep her as is. So, I'm gonna have to hold you that. sure something comes out. So how am I supposed to hold it? Okay. Give me like 2 seconds. There we go. It's just being difficult. Alrighty. Let's go. Alrighty. So here we go. There you go. So I have her holding the umbrella. Okay. So I have it like that. And now I'm gonna put her on her thingy. One thing I will mention is on the box, this is fun to play with, and yet, like, I hate it when people play with collectible stuff. Because it's easily breakable. Somehow Nendoroids are very highly quality made, so they're kind of hard to break. Okay. So far, I have it like that. Honestly, I might just keep her like that because why not? Although it's really tempting to put on a flower crown too because it's really, really cute. Cause like, look at that. You know what? I'm gonna put it on. There you go. And there you go. She's so cute. Alrighty. So, this was the unboxing of Yuuka Kazami from Toho Project. I hope you all enjoyed it. I will be doing Yakumo Yukari next, so do look out for that video. Thank you, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.